video is not sponsored, so don't worry. I am just sharing the honest truth with you because I use it and I have a lot of this in my fridge.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too.
Hi guys, this is your girl Victoria and Selipe. How is everyone doing today? I want to share something with you. It is my drink. I have been drinking this and I want to tell you guys how good this drink is. And look, it comes with turmeric. So I am doing the mango flavor and it tastes absolutely good. It's too sweet, like it's unbelievable. What I am drinking does not have sugar at all. I've been drinking this every day for 3 months now. Some days I'm not consistent. It comes in the pack and it tells you everything it contains. So each bottle of this provides about 120% of the recommended daily dose of vitamin C and 50% of the recommended daily dose of vitamin D. Can you believe this? This is amazing. This is the drink. You can see it comes in a different flavor. I actually love this flavor. This is a lemon and ginger. I have a lot of this in my fridge. The recent one we got has all flavors. I've tried the lemon and ginger. I've tried the pomegranate and now I'm trying. All of them are good. All of them are awesome. Can you see this? Everything is zero. It only has 25 calories, which was gotten from the fruit itself because we already know some fruits contain calories. I feel like it helps me flush out stuff. Yeah, because I've noticed that my weight, I haven't reduced, sustaining and maintaining this same weight, and this thing actually does a lot in doing that for me. This helps with my skin too because I hardly use cream. I hardly use cream. I don't have an oily skin. I think I am close to having a dry skin because sometimes I'm even using oil when I notice my skin is dry or some moisturizer. But this is really good. It helps with my vitamin C intake. You can easily get this drink anywhere. I believe it's on Amazon too. You can check it out. But Nigeria, contact me, okay? I have somebody in Nigeria for you. And if you want to know where my hair is from, of course, I am rocking Authentic, okay? Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to your girl's channel. And until next time, bye guys!